thing, communicate effectively, and really just get things done. In this case, I'm going to be talking about two of them, Evernote itself and Skitch. Who here is familiar with Skitch? A lot of you. Okay. I think Skitch is great, right? It's just a really quick way to take an image or a screenshot and mark it up with text and arrows so that I can communicate how I feel about something, whether it's a UI design or like architecture planning, whatever it happens to be. The interesting thing about Skitch, though, is that I find myself, if I'm in a meeting and I take a photo of something that we're talking about, I don't want to sort of sketch it up right then. Right? Because I'm in the meeting and like we're talking and we're communicating about next steps. Rather, I'd like to be able to quickly give feedback at the right time. So let's try that, shall we? So I'm going to swipe over to the picture I took of y'all, and I'm going to tap. I get my card options there. I'm going to tap on Share, and I'm going to swipe to Sketch. I'm going to tap on Sketch. Now what's happened here is that Sketch was just notified that I took an image and I shared it with it, right? Again, how that happens is I tap on the card option, and Sketch had previously inserted a subscription and said, I want you to notify me at this point whenever the user hits this share entity. So I hit that share entity, goes up to Google, Google bounces that down to Sketch, and then Sketch then takes that information, downloads the image, and sends an Android notification to my tablet, which is right here. Can't believe I'm screen sharing multiple devices in this demo. It's cool. All right, and this is Sketch. It just opens up with that image. I'm going to go ahead and, let's see, I'm going to buzz out my friends from Engadget over here. Oh, I'm just kidding. I love you guys. And let's go ahead and say, awesome press. That's cool, right? So these would, in any other case, be my notes during a meeting. I'm going to go ahead and hit done here and save it. And Sketch right now, as it usually does, is going to upload this into Evernote, so it's a note that I can access whenever I want. Now, what I like about this flow and how I've started to use it in my daily life is that I end up at these meetings, again, caught between feedback and paying attention. I can pay attention, and with class, I can easily take photos as things happen. And then as I'm walking back to my desk or going for a walk later, I just share that with Sketch on my tablet, and I can mark it up and save it to Evernote. And as you can see, there it is right there in Evernote. I've also got some sketches about fish and this talk, because that's what this talk needs, is some more fish. All right, let's go back to the presentation here and go through that again in detail.